Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Starniharika. Today I am reviewing Minimalist Hyaluronic Acid Serum and the price of the product is 599 rupees and I purchased it for 500 rupees. The quantity of the product is 30 ml. If your skin is dry and dehydrated, your skin is becoming loose, then this serum will work well for your skin. Basically, hyaluronic acid is used to provide hydration to your skin, and this serum fragrance free, essential oil free, non-comedogenic, and this serum is work for all skin types. If your skin is very sensitive, then you should apply it on your hands and check that you do not get burning sensation or irritation. By the way, they claim this serum is suitable for all skin types. If you find my videos informative, then subscribe the channel, like and share the videos and comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.